this video, I'll show you all about the Zircon's Slidifix Heating Pad. First, I'm attaching the remote controller here to the heating pad, which is right here. And the reason why the controller is removable is because you can actually wash the heating pad if necessary without damaging anything electrical. So now I'm going to wear the heating pad like a jacket on my torso, and just like this, I am now buttoning up the heating wherever required, such as like the neck area, and I'm now trying to lace the bottom firmly so that the heating pad is placed firmly on my body. So I connected the heating pad, the controller, to the wall here, and I have switched the controller and set it to the lowest level. It's been a minute since then, and the heating pad has already started to give off heat. It is too low for my liking since it takes me a while to feel the heat. So I'm going to turn up the heat a bit more. See how it goes. So the heat is now on a medium setting and it's really comfortable. I'm trying out the highest heat level and it's not hot enough to burn your skin. Could be not hot enough for me, but we'll wait for a little bit. Actually the kind of heat that a lot of people prefer, not too hot and not too low on the skin. I feel pretty comfortable walking around. How it looks. It's not slipping off or blocking in any way. It's very warm. It's getting warm. It's really comfortable, and it's designed actually to protect the user from overheating, so I'm not worried about that right now. In the next video, I'll give you guys a review of my experience using this product. Take a look at it. This is how it looks from the back. This is how it looks from the front.